हाय हेलो एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल माय डियर रुचिन। और इस सेशन में आज हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं मैकबेथ एक्ट 5 सीन 1 एंड 2 और इसके एमसीक्यू और लॉजिकल बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस हम इस सेशन में डिस्कस करेंगे। और आई डोंट नो बाय चांस और बाय मिस्टेक आई हैव डिलीटेड दिस वीडियो, तो इसलिए मैं दोबारा से इसको अपलोड कर रही हूँ जिन लोगों ने नहीं देखा है उनके लिए। चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 पे आते हैं। Question number 1 is when was she last walked? Who is she referred to in the given line? What does she refer to? Options are, I am not going to read the option. The correct option is Lady Macbeth sleepwalking. Question number 2 पे आते हैं. Which field is referred to by the gentleman? Answer is battlefield. What does Lady Macbeth refer to by saying get out you cursed spot? Correct answer is spot of blood on her hand. Question number 4 is what does a doctor refer to by saying a great perturbation in nature? Correct option is option number C, Lady Macbeth's disorder. Question number 5 is why does Lady Macbeth's waiting woman refuse to divulge anything about the former's words while sleepwalking? Correct option is option number A, she does not have a witness to confirm her speech. Question number 6 is Lady Macbeth says, yet who would have thought the old man to have had so much blood in him? So correct answer is option number C, King Douglas. Question number 7. According to the doctor, sinful people tell their secrets to whom among the following? Correct answer is C, their pillows. Question number 8 is according to the doctor, Lady Macbeth needed the help of whom among the following to cure her disease? Correct option is option A, a priest. Question number 9 is in this scene, Lady Macbeth confesses to murder of. Correct option is option number D, all of the above. So question number 2 पे आते हैं. Choose the correct options for the following questions. The doctor tells the gentlewoman that she did not find any truth in what she told him because he had kept watch over the queen for last 2 nights. He was not able to confirm whether she had been walking in sleep or not. Question number 2 is the gentlewoman tells the doctor that she would never tell him the truth about Lady Macbeth because she had not witnessed to confirm her speech. For start, moreover, she was afraid to repeat what she heard from Lady Macbeth as it can be cause of her punishment. Question number 3 पे आते हैं. The doctor says Lady Macbeth needs a priest nor a doctor because the cure of such diseases produced by unnatural deeds were beyond the power of physician. Hence, a queen needed divine help. The queen needed divine help. Question 4 is the gentlewoman says Lady Macbeth's eyes senses are shut because though her eyes were open while she was walking in sleep, yet her senses were not working. That is, there was no walking intelligent in her eyes. Okay, so अब जल्दी से आते हैं Act 5 Scene 2 पे. So here we are in Act 5 Scene 2. Question number 1 is what does the tyrant, who is referred to as the tyrant in this line? Correct option is option number C, Macbeth. Who among the following is not a Scottish noble who revolted against Macbeth? Correct option is none of the above. Question number 3 is according to Angus, why do the soldiers of Macbeth obey him? Correct option is out of fear. Question 4 is how did robes of a king fit Macbeth? Option A is the correct option, like robes of a giant stolen by a small thief. Question number 5. The imagery of clothing is used in the scene to depict which of the following? Option number B is correct. The title of king is ill-fitted on Macbeth. Question number 6 is who is referred to by Caithness as the medicine of the sickly weak? Correct option is option A, Malcolm. Question number 7 is Lennox refers to whom among the following as the sovereign flower? Correct option is option number D, Malcolm. Question number 2 is choose the correct option for the following questions. Many Scottish nobles are joining hands with the English forces because each one of them wanted to take revenge, as each one of them suffered wrongs at the hands of Macbeth. Question number 2 is Macbeth is portrayed as losing control over his forces because they obey him out of fear and many of them are leaving him and going on enemy's side. Full stop. Question number 3. The imagery of blood has been used because the guilt of murder of Duncan and Banquo is still hovering in Macbeth's mind, so he's unable to wash the image of blood from his mind. Okay. Question number 4 is Shakespeare has used the imagery of clothing because he wanted to convey that how the title of king is ill-fitting on Macbeth. So that's all in today's session. I hope these are useful for you, and keep studying hard as exams are very near. Thank you so much for watching, children. Bye bye.